Hello guys, we are riding a bicycle. We're not. I am riding. Jeep is pushing his bike. Look, I do mine. I'm gonna put my phone right here. We're gonna race. He said we're gonna race. We're gonna race. He pushing it though. Be careful. He said we're gonna race a bike.
Ready, let's go.
Uh-oh! Who's winning? Who's winning? Who is winning? Mama is winning. Where is JP? Mama is winning. Oh, this is hilly, guys. This is hilly. It's hilly. Yeah, it's a pretty day today, so we're gonna go biking.
Go.
Gonna go. Oh my goodness. I gonna catch you. I gonna catch you. I can catch you, see?
Ow, it's the going to die.
It's what?
I'm going to die. You faster, I faster too. I'm going to get the stuff.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Mama, it's the same that side.
You said we're going to Mama's house. We're going to Mama's house. Which way? It says stop sign.
It's that way.
Ayan, sumusuko na. He said he's tired already. He said he's already tired. You're getting faster. I'm gonna bet you. Mama gonna bet you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mama is the first one. You're in the back now.
I get faster.
You silly. You get hot. Stop screaming. Wind feels good. Ayan, nandito kami sa labas. Dahil ay maganda ang panahon. Warm. Spring is here. Nana Bubu. You bit me now. Hey, watch out with the cars. Watch out with the cars.
I'm fat.
Okay. Can go. I think Papa is cutting grass. Is that Papa cutting grass? Be careful, okay? No, that's not Papa. Yeah, that's Papa. Where is Mama house? Which?
There.
Where?
That side.
This side. Be careful, okay? Be careful because it's dust somewhere. Dust everywhere. Everybody's cutting their grass. Boy. It's getting faster. JP, be careful because that dust.
It's low. So very, very low.
Very what?
Very, very low.
Very slow.
That way it's magic good when magic is wrong. And magic is going to make me frog with that one. Magic this. So don't get in the magic with that one. You're going to make it there.
Uh-oh, Mama and Papa is not there. Their door is closed. Let's go to Papa Tommy. Hey, you wait for me. Bibiyaan ako sa akong anak. It hurt my eyes. Dagay pang cone, pine cone. Hey, it says a stop sign. Where's the stop sign? Bumpy road, rough road. Say stop. It's got stop sign. We're gonna stop and watch for cars.
No cars get in the way.
Look, there's a kid right there.
No cars.
Okay, let's go. Where are we going now?
That side.
Okay.
Oh, no, no. That's dangerous. That side. That side. That side.
We're going to the next neighbor. Hey, be careful, okay?
When you're riding one level, here I go here. Side. No one's going. My legs.
Mine too.
Whoa! I heard the superpower!
Uh-oh.
And right there.
Where's Mama?
There.
Where?
Okay.
Here you go. We're going home. On the way home. Let's get this. It's a pretty. We're going home now. Be careful, huh? It's hill. It's hilly, hilly. Hi, JP. There's car. Nana boo boo. Nana boo boo.
Very, very low.
I am coming fast through. JP so slow. Mama gonna go fast through. Too slow. What did you do? Okay, you slow down. Riding with a bike. Riding with a bike.
Little bit fast this time.
Okay.
Get the razor from my leg.
I'm not racing.
Just right.
Turn. Turn. a hill. Go get the mail in the mailbox. Go get the mail. It's hill. Too slow. Can you get the mail? Get the mail. Yep, nandito na kami sa aming bahay.
Yeah.
We got mail.
That too.
Come on, give it to me.
That two mails.
Okay.
One for me. This is mine. Why have two mails?
Sense. Okay, give it to me. I'm gonna bring that one too. Close the mailbox, please.
Okay.
There you go. Come on.
Llama. Llama.
Give me the mail so you will not get. Give me the mail. You push the bike because I gotta drive my bike. You don't want. Okay, push it. I gotta ride on my bike. And we got it all the way right there. We have all the way.
So heavy.
Okay, give me the mail. Ride on your bike. Push it right there first. Yep. Malayo ang aming Malayo ang aming bahay sa aming mailbox. Kaya ayan. Squirrel. Squirrel. Where's the squirrel go? Squirrel. Where's the go? Come here, squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. Oh, come on. Let's go. He's gonna push his bike. He cannot drive in the gravel because it's got third wheel. They working in the house again.
Yeah.
The squirrel is still there. Gibiyaan ako sa akong anak. Asa naman akong anak? You're fast. Gibiyaan ako. Ayan, naanami sa among balay. Sa among balay-balay. Sa among payag-payag. Malapit na. JP, come here. We're almost there. We're almost.